Welcome to ABC Sing and Learn! Let's sing, dance, and have fun together!
Let's learn about the elephant, a big friend with floppy ears. Come along and sing with me, let's learn together here. Elephants are really big, they walk so slow and strong. With their trunk they pick up things and swing it all day long. They live in Asia and Africa, in jungles and grasslands too. With forests wide and rivers deep, they have so much to do. They have big feet that stomp the ground and tails that swish and sway. Their ears flap wide like giant fans to cool them every day. Elephant, elephant, wow, so huge and kind, with a trunk so long and strong and gentle eyes that shine. Elephant, elephant, let's all clap and cheer. We love elephants, yes we do. Let's give a big hooray here. They eat a lot of leaves and fruit and drink from rivers wide. They use their trunks to take a bath and splash from side to side. They live in family herds with babies by their side. The little ones learn every day to walk and run with pride. They talk in rumbles low and deep or trumpet loud and clear. Elephants are smart and sweet and full of love and cheer. Some weigh more than a big car and live for many years. They're gentle giants of the wild with strength and joyful tears. Elephant, elephant, big and gentle too, with floppy ears and wrinkly skin. We're so glad we met you. Elephant, elephant, we'll never forget. You're the biggest land animal, the best one we've met yet. So now you know the elephant, a friend so strong and true. Thanks for learning here with me. Next time we'll meet someone